In today's video, I am going to teach you how to verify Stripe account. Verification is what allows Stripe to confirm who you are. Keep your account compliant with local regulations and enable smooth payouts. We'll walk through the entire flow so you know exactly what to expect, and I'll share helpful tips along the way to avoid common delays. Start by opening your Stripe dashboard. From there, go to the Home tab. Look for the Setup Guide and choose Complete Your Profile. This is where Stripe gathers the essentials needed to activate your account. If you don't immediately see the Setup Guide, scroll the home page. It may appear as a banner or a checklist card asking you to finish onboarding. Open it and proceed. Next, enter your business or personal details accurately. Use your exact legal business name as it appears on official documents and provide the correct registered address. Add your tax 499 if your region requires it. If you are operating as an individual or sole proprietor, you, LL, typically provide your personal tax information instead. Enter your personal details as requested, including your full legal name and date of birth. Double-check spelling and numbers. These must match your official records to pass automated checks. If automatic verification doesn't complete, upload your identity documents in the account verification section of the dashboard. Provide a clear government issued photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the image is in color. All 4 edges are visible. Here is no glare and the text is readable. Avoid screenshots or photos of a screen. Take a direct photo of the document. Submitting an unexpired document that matches the name you provided helps prevent back and forth and speeds up review. You'll also need to verify your bank account. Ensure the bank account holder name exactly matches the name on your Stripe account. If needed, confirm this with a bank statement or a canceled check. When entering your bank details, type carefully to avoid typos and make sure the account can receive transfers in your operating currency. Mismatched names are a common reason for payout issues, so match them precisely. In some regions, such as parts of Europe and Canada, you may be asked to provide proof of home address. Typical documents include a recent utility bill or bank statement. The document should clearly show your full name and address and be dated within the acceptable time frame. Once everything is submitted, Stripe will review your information. You can monitor the status in the account verification section. Keep an eye on your email in case additional details are requested. Thanks for watching.